You're gonna take this into the glass and you're gonna push it into the felt over here. This is a 1970 first series, almost second series Wagoneer. This has been a lot of work. We're on the final stages of just doing paint touch-ups. But this is kind of cool because we did a custom build on this per the owner's design. This was a bone stock, pretty rough, actually really rough 70 Wagoneer. And we did a custom blue that he chose, the white top. We did custom made 18-inch Detroit steel wheels. These Wagoneers come with a two-piece 44 rear and then a closed knuckle 2730 front. So we actually converted this to late model Wagoneer axles. So these are all 1980 Wagoneer 6-lug front and rear 44s, which got us the disc brakes and actually solved a lot of issues, relatively inexpensive, which was getting rid of the two-piece rear and gaining disc brakes with just a set of junkyard axles, which we refreshened. But what we also did was got rid of the early generation Wagoneers. The springs are held on with posts. This guy does want to tow his boat and some other things with it, so we also converted it to late model Wagoneer lift springs, our own custom spring hangers front and rear. We converted it over to an AX15 5-speed. It is the original Buick 350. We did a custom twin stick shifter on the Dana 20 transfer case, which we'll show you in a minute. This also got a lot of custom stuff on the inside as a hidden Bluetooth stereo. It's got hidden amps, 12-inch sub in the back. It's got Memphis audio speakers. It rocks, and it's all hidden and no stereo. You don't see anything. You just get in the Jeep, hit your Bluetooth on your phone, and you listen to your music. It's all controlled through the phone. And you can see the custom enclosure for the sub. Again, custom carpet. He wanted the wheel wells and the transmission hump exposed. This still has to get a final detail. As you can see, we did a full custom interior in this thing. The owner did not want an original look. He wanted something a little out of the ordinary, which turned out really cool. These are Pendleton blankets, which are big interior blankets people use as couch throws. You know, aftermarket aluminum trim. These are actually armrests that I prefer when the factory ones get all warped. These are actually 66 Nova armrests, which look really good and kind of fit the look of the vehicle since there aren't reproduction armrests made for these first gen Wagoneers. So as you can see, again, all the hidden speakers, and you come around in here, you can see we gave the seats some extra bolster. We used an aircraft style retro belt, which I use on all my first gen builds. Again, with the blanket, with the pattern centered. You can see the AX15 conversion, the 5-speed stick here, the twin sticks we custom made for the transfer case. And then again, we filled in the plate for the radio, and we welded up all the holes for the dash pad. This still needs to be knocked in. Like I said, we still got a little more work to do on it. But as you see when I open the glove box, we hide all the gauges. There's a tachometer, oil pressure, volts, and water temperature gauge all hidden in the glove box, which you can look at while you're driving. The amp controls are also hidden in the glove box. The subwoofer gain and how hard it hits is all hidden in the glove box too. So when you close that up, it's all done. We also did a modern AC unit in this, but we used the original Kaiser under dash unit. We still have to mount the vent here, but we've done all this pretty much custom. And then again, the carpet is custom with snaps. So the owner wanted to be able to pull the carpet out, and so you can unsnap the carpet and he wanted an exposed transmission tunnel just for a different look. So when you get in with your dirty dogs, you just unsnap the carpet, take it out of the Jeep, hose it out, you can put it right back in. And again, that is per his design. And this turned out to be a really neat Jeep. I mean, it's got 33s, 18-inch wheels, disc brakes, custom wheels, custom paint, custom interior, full hidden Bluetooth stereo. This is just a neat rig. It turned out really well. And so final little touch-ups and it'll be off to its new owner.
Speed, camera on slate. Roll B, scene B2, take one. Mark.
Action!